Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hand dryers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, XLE Dryer Commercial Hand Dryers. This ultra-efficient hand dryer with an automatic drying function is able to make your hands dry within 9 seconds. You can also simply replace the old paper towels with this advanced hand drying unit. So, you can keep your washroom clean and hygiene. Moreover, with the help of an infrared sensor, the device automatically triggers the drying function after detecting human hands. You can also make your hands dry within 10 to 15 seconds. Furthermore, the device saves up to 80% of electricity than the conventional dryers. This dryer comes along with a stainless steel cover with a brushed metal finish. At number 4, Bobrick Surface-Mounted Automatic Hand Dryer. Made from industrial-grade 3040 type stainless steel material, this handy dryer stands for durability. With a perfect stain-like vertical grain finish, this unit is also suitable to use in any commercial washroom. Moreover, the electronic sensor of this dryer automatically triggers the drying function. So, the dryer supports entirely touch-free start and stop functions. This unit comes along with dual air outlets. These outlets with a 7 horsepower motor are also able to produce a swirling circulation of airflow. Furthermore, the dryer makes your hands dry within 25 seconds. At number 3, XLE Dryer Automatic Sensor Hand Dryer. This smart device also comes with both speed and sound control settings. So, you can control the function by using a visible LED light. Moreover, the troubleshooting of this dryer is like a breeze. The housing of this unit comes with the construction of one-piece die-cast zinc alloy material. The metal housing also makes this dryer remarkably durable and rust-proof. Furthermore, with the help of a 5/8 horsepower motor, this device produces up to 16,000 Lfm of air velocity. The IR optical sensor triggers the drying function after sensing the presence of human hands. This energy efficient comes with 4.5 amp circuitry. At number 2, XLE Dryer XLERATOreco XLBW 1. Product is as expected. Like the energy savings from no heating element. No complaints from customers about the switch to these units from paper towels. Installed with a cord to an outlet. Installation is easy for someone with minimal electrical knowledge. These units last forever. We bought them to eliminate paper towels. They are what we expected except for the noise. We are still very satisfied. Liked the fact that 2 units could be installed on one circuit. At number 1, Constructor Automatic Durable Hand Dryer. Equipped with a 1900-watt powerful motor, this hand dryer is a commercial-grade bathroom accessory. So, you can instantly dry your hand with super fast speed. This drying machine also comes along with an infrared sensor. Therefore, you do not need to press any button to start the drying function. By simply placing your hands under the machine, you can automatically make your hands dry. The antibacterial coating of this dryer also lets you use this for commercial washrooms. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.